Hey everyone! Today we're going to learn 5 HSK 1 vocabulary words in Mandarin Chinese. Let's get started. First up,
爱
it means love. Here's an example.
我爱你
I love you.
我
I
爱
love
你
you. Next word,
8
it means 8. For example,
我8岁
I'm 8 years old.
我
I
8
8
岁
years old. Third word,
爸爸
it means dad. Here's an example.
他是我的爸爸
He's my dad.
他
He
是
is
我的
my
爸爸
dad. Fourth word,
杯子
it means cup. For example,
这是谁的杯子
whose cup is this?
这
This
是
is
谁的
whose
杯子
cup. And last one,
北京
it means Beijing, the capital city of China. Example sentence,
我想去北京
I want to go to Beijing.
我
I
想
want
去
to go
北京
Beijing. You can download the Hanzi writing practice sheet from the video description. See you in part 2.
再见